Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you how to fix Valorant. This version of Vanguard requires secure boot error with simple and working steps. This issue usually happens on Windows 11 when secure boot is disabled. First, restart your PC and enter BIOS settings by pressing Delete or F2 key during startup. Once you're in BIOS, find the Secure Boot option and enable it. Next, make sure your system is using UEFI mode instead of Legacy or CSM because Secure Boot only works with UEFI. After that, locate TPM settings called PTT on Intel or FTPM on AMD and enable it as well. Now save all changes and exit BIOS. Once your PC starts, type System Information in Search and confirm Secure Boot state is on. Also, make sure your Windows is fully updated. If the error still appears, reinstall Riot Vanguard and restart your PC. Finally, launch Valorant again, and the issue should be fixed completely. Subscribe the channel for more videos.